Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to curve text here in Vistaprint. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your project. For example, this standard business card right here, just click on edit. And once done, go ahead and add in a new text. Just click on the text block right here in the left panel. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on new text field. Okay. Add in a text, maybe a sample curve. Okay. There you go. Make it bigger. Change the color if you want to, maybe white. Now to make it curve, make sure that the text is selected and is highlighted. All right, and once done, just go ahead over to format right here. Just click on format, and here you have different curved text styles, okay? Full curve right here, full curve up, slight curve up, straight, slight curve down, and a full curve down. All right? Once you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and make it bigger if you want to, change the font if you want to as well. Maybe this one. Move it if you want to. All right. And that is it. That's how you curve text here in Vistaprint. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.